Welcome to today's video on the best investment ideas in India for wealth creation. Imagine waking up one day with complete financial freedom, where your investments work for you and you no longer have to worry about money. Sounds amazing, right? But how do you get there? In this video, we'll break down the best investment ideas in India that can help you build long-term wealth. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, keep watching till the end. The stock market has created more millionaires than any other asset class. If you want to build wealth, you cannot ignore it. Here's how to invest smartly. Index funds and ETFs, low-cost passive investing in Nifty 50, or Sensex ETFs like Nippon India, ETF Nifty 50 or HDFC Sensex ETF. Blue chip stocks. Invest in industry leaders like Reliance, TCS, Infosys, and HDFC Bank for steady growth. SIP in mutual funds. Start small and let compounding do its magic. Funds like Mirae Asset, Emerging Blue Chip, and Parag Parikh FlexiCap are excellent choices. Pro tip: always invest for the long term and don't panic during market crashes. Smart investors buy when others panic. Real estate has always been a wealth-building tool in India. Here's how you can profit. Buy property in growing cities. Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune have booming real estate markets. Commercial real estate. Invest in retail spaces, warehouses, or co-working spaces for stable rental income. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Want real estate exposure without huge capital? Invest in REITs like Embassy Office Parks, REIT, and Mindspace REIT and earn passive income. Indians love gold, and for a good reason. It's a hedge against inflation. But instead of buying physical gold, here's a smarter way. Sovereign gold bonds, or SGBs, issued by the RBI, offer 2.5% interest plus capital appreciation. Another option is gold ETFs and digital gold. You can invest in Nippon Gold ETF or buy digital gold via Patam, PhonePe, or Zerodha. Here's a pro tip. Buying SGBs instead of physical gold gives you tax-free returns if held till maturity. Crypto is volatile, but it has the potential for massive gains. Here's how to invest safely in India. Stick to well-known assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum for long-term holding. Use Indian exchanges like WazirX, CoinDCX, and CoinSwitch Kuba. They are secure and compliant. And remember, invest small and diversify. Never put all your money in crypto. Treat it as a high-risk, high-reward asset. Not all investments require money. Some require skills and time. Here's how you can create an income-generating asset. Start an e-commerce business. Sell products on Flipkart, Amazon, or create your own Shopify store. YouTube and content creation. Monetize your expertise, just like this channel. Sell digital products. Create an online course, write an ebook, or start a membership site. Pro tip: earning in USD via freelancing or digital products can help you grow wealth faster. If you prefer safe investments, consider these. Fixed deposits and recurring deposits. Safe and guaranteed, especially in top banks like SBI and HDFC. PPF, or Public Provident Fund, tax-free, long-term investment with 7.1% interest. RBI floating rate bonds, government-backed bonds with an adjustable interest rate. The best investment is in your knowledge and skills. Read books, take courses, and upgrade your financial literacy. The more you learn, the more you earn. So, which investment idea are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wealth-building content. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday. The second best time is now. Take action today, and your future self will thank you.